proprietorship. So what are the disadvantages when you are opting sole proprietorship as your business firm? The first disadvantage would be like limited resources. There will be limited resources. You may ask, ma'am, you told that there is an unlimited liability, then why you are saying limited resources? What do you mean by unlimited liability, ma'am? What do you mean by unlimited liability? Yes, everyone, what do you mean by unlimited liability? You understood what is unlimited liability or not? I asked everyone to on their cameras, ma. It's for your attendance only. And Banu Prakash, roll number 178, I asked you to change the DP, but still I could see the same thing. Yes, dude. What is unlimited liability, ma? Who wants to say, they can just raise their hand so that I can unmute them if I didn't give you a chance. Yes? What is unlimited liability? Nobody. So let me say unlimited liability means you don't have any boundaries or any limits for taking the debt. Okay, no limits at all for taking the debt. Like to say in other language, so how much ever loans you want, how much ever money you want from others, they'll give it. It's not that based upon your firm only I'm going to give. As I told you, in sole proprietorship, both owner and the firm are treated same. Understood? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So here you may get doubt. Ma'am, you told that there are unlimited liability, but why you are saying that there is limited resources? Very clearly, ma, the resources will be limited only because sole proprietorship cannot be extended or cannot be expanded. Can you expand your sole proprietorship without having any partners or without having any shareholders? Is it possible?
No.
So that is the reason why I told it is having an limited resources. Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And second one is limited managerial ability. What do you mean by limited managerial ability here? Only one person is managing the total thing. So if 10 persons think about, now I have a problem, let us suppose. I told you all that I had a problem, I want a solution for that problem. Each one of you will think in a different way, am I right? Some will think, let's fight against that problem. Some will think, let's sort it out. And some people will say, first let us find the root cause of the problem. Each person have different psychology, different mentality of solving the things. Am I right or wrong? But here in sole proprietorship, only one person is there. So one person cannot think in many ways, na? So the managerial ability will become limited. Understood, ma? Yes? Shall we move on to the next point? So next point is unlimited liability. I already explained you, na, what is unlimited liability? That you can get how much ever debts you want. Understood? Yes? Understood, ma, everyone? I want an answer from you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next, moving
Immediately.
on. Uncertain continuity. So if it is a partnership, if you have any disturbances, please mute yourself. If you have any kind of disturbances, 1 second. Narayana, what's your uncertain continuity is? Like, in partnership or in stock companies, joint stock companies, there are many other owners also. If anything happens to you, there are other persons to continue the business. But in sole proprietorship, are there any other persons to continue? Yes, are there any other persons? No. So the continuity will be a question mark in the sole proprietorship. Understood, ma? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And moving on to the next one, that is limited
No
scope
less.
of employees. What do you mean by limited scope of employees? As I told you, if it is a sole proprietorship firm, it will be working in limited area, a small area. So, for a small firm, will you take large number of employees? No, you will take only certain people to work in a small firms. So here the scope is nothing but if it is a big firm like Reliance, or you can go with Google and Amazon. If it is that, your growth is high there. Yes, why you people wants to join and work in Amazon, Google, and all? What is the reason, ma?
Ma'am,
Why you wanted to work?
ma'am,
Because there is some growth.
Yes, ma. What's your doubt?
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా మ్యామ్ అర్థం కాలే
ఏది?
పైది మ్యామ్ అది మ్యామ్
Uncertain continuity.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Yes. Uncertain continuity means after you, if you are owning a shop, let us suppose you have a shop. After you, there you don't have guarantee. Now, if you have a partner, if you are not there, your partner will continue. But if you don't have anyone after you, is there any person to continue? No. May or may not. You don't have guarantee na, that your business will be continued after you also.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Yes or no?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Yeah. Moving on to limited scope of employees. So, like if it is Google or Amazon, any other international companies and national companies, you will have a growth. Now, for example, you started your career as an employee in a small branch. You may reach even to the abroad countries with your job. It means your scope is very high there. If you are working in a normal local firm, is there any scope for you? Mainly, you can take example of this BPOs. Do you think there is a scope for you in BPOs? I don't think so. See, you don't have any growth in BPOs. In the same way, receptionist job. Receptionist job, is there any growth?
నో
No. Understood now?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Yes. Everyone?
యా మ్యామ్
Yes. Did you understand? I'm asking everyone, ma. I want answer from everyone.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Yes, understood. Shall we move on to the next topic?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
Just I'll unmute few
ఇప్పుడు ఈ
people so that
స్క్రీన్ మీద
we can
పడుతుంది
answer.
కాక ఇవి రాసుకోవాలా
Ma, if you have disturbances, please unmute yourself. If you don't have disturbances, then you can please mute yourself. Sorry. Yeah. Now moving on. No large scale economies. So when your budget is low, will you expect more and more returns? No. If your budget is low, your returns will also be less, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Based upon your budget only, your returns will be. So here you will not have any no large scale of economies, and risk will be more, because if it is a partnership, there are some people to share the risk. Whereas in sole proprietorship, there is no one to share your risk. You are the only owner and you will face the risk. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes.
Next one is possibility of wrong decisions. Sometimes when persons are like there are some personality traits like anger, frustration. All this will make the people to take the wrong decisions. Okay, so sometimes when you are frustrated with your particular business, or when you have some anger or anything, it means like you may take the wrong decisions. If it is a partnership,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. استمع. అక్క నేను అంటారా ఇక్కడ చేస్తాను. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.